Hi everyone, so in this video we'll see how to install a buzzer for our indicator on the Activa 6G. So to do that, we need to remove this front cowl here. You'll have to remove these two mirrors, and there are 5 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one on the front which uses a star screwdriver. First thing, we'll remove the mirrors. So for that you are going to need 12-13 open-ended spanner. Okay, so the cowl has come loose. Now what you need to do is, there are 3 connectors here. So this is the headlight connector. So there's a tab on top. Press the tab and it will come off. You have this connector which is your indication. So you can undo that as well. Undo the tab and pull it out. And your cowl comes out. Okay, so now the next thing is, you need to figure out where the relay is. Now this is a relay for the indicator. Pull it out. So this is your indicator relay connector. Now you need to observe the polarity for the relay. So you have to figure out which one is which. So this is one. The negative goes to the gray. That's right. Guys, so we have just extended the cable here using better cables, because the one that came with the buzzer were very thin and it was just getting cut as I was installing it. So what we'll do is, we'll insert these 2 cables into the connectors here. Verapo! Now that you've inserted it, insert the relay. Test it out. So it's working. Now relay is now secure. And what you can do is use a cable tie to tie it with any of the cables here. We are done. This is connected. Now you can simply insert it back to their respective positions. That's it, guys. All the locking clips in place and you can hear the sound. Guys, so here we go. So that's a very simple DIY, and something you can do it at your home. And very important from a safety perspective, because a lot of us don't realize when the indicator is turned on and we have forgot to turn it off. Similarly, senior citizens too, they don't realize unless they hear that beeper, which used to be a standard fitment back then during the kinetic Honda days. So hope you like this DIY, guys. Thank you so much.